Do you want to make a Garten of Banban plushie? Well, so do I. So grab your fabric and your other supplies, and now let's get to it. All right, you want to go ahead and take the gray fabric and just throw it out there. You're definitely going to want to put the nice side down because you don't want to draw on it. You're going to want to draw on this side. And here's a stencil I made. We're doing Sir Dadadoo, and this is basically just half of them, just the outline of the character. We're going to draw that side, flip it, and draw the other side, and we're going to make 2 full-size pieces. Now let's get to it. Get out your scissors and let's cut this thing. Now once you got those cut out, you want to take that dark purple and cut out like 4 of these for his hands. Let's do it right quick. Or now you want to take these 4 pieces and we're going to glue them just like this onto each one. So be sure you're only going to glue right here and then push it down. Let's go ahead and do that. Now once those are cooled down, you're going to want to fold these over, and then we're going to glue around this whole perimeter and then slap this guy right on top, just like that, almost like they're facing inwards. So we're going to glue those together right now. Do the whole thing. Let's do it. Now in case you're wondering, Mr. JH, how are we going to put stuffing in this? Well, there's a simple explanation for that. We're gonna cut him open. Don't be alarmed, we're gonna cut a hole right in his face, but his mouth is gonna cover that hole. So let's take our scissors and cut right there. And then we're gonna make that hole bigger. Look at that, we're already making progress. Now just shove your hand in there and let's just start pulling everything out of his face. Now don't forget to work all those crazy edges out and smooth everything in. Now when he said that leeches come in all different shapes and sizes, I don't think he meant deflated. Let's stuff them up. Now once you got Big Chungus nice and stuffed up, we're gonna go ahead and start working on the face. So take your purple felt and your black felt, and we're gonna cut the shape of his mouth out on both the purple and the black, like this. Even though it looks like a giant gaping hole, always double check the size that make sure it's definitely going to cover where we're gonna put this stuff. All right, before we do anything with the purple, we're gonna head and put some teeth using the white felt. We're just gonna do just a couple little triangle bits right here, and then we're gonna glue them down. Let's go ahead and knock that out. Now don't forget to trim off any excess overhang as well, because you don't want that showing through this next step. So this is gonna be Sir Dadadoo's lips. You can either just go straight up and cut it if you're confident, or you can just go ahead and on the other side where it's drawn out and just trace over it, maybe with like a ½ an inch or so, to the desired thickness of lips that you like. And then we're going to cut that out right now. All right, it should look a little something like this. And now let's go ahead and glue this over top right now. Now my man Sir Dadadoo definitely needs a tie, so go ahead and cut you one out. We're gonna glue it right there. Now that your boy's looking fresh, let's go ahead and start to glue this mouth down, but be very careful and don't be like me and burn yourself. So let's glue that now. And it's done. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And now let's give them some glamour shots.